And so I think we'll do a practice question so everyone can see how the game's going to work. All the questions are multiple choice. In the semifinals, we'll have 4 choices, and then in the finals, we'll have 5 choices. In the semifinals, in both the semifinals and finals, contestants get points when they get it right. They don't lose points if they get it wrong. In the semifinals, it doesn't matter who signals in first. As long as you signal in within the time, then you can get credit for it as long as you get the question right. In the finals, it is the first person to get the question correct who will get the points. So that's where speed, you might say, does matter. Some last-minute adjustments here by Alan. He says, oh, look, see, this is how Mathematician, the cooperative enterprise, is loaning his pencil to Roger. Yes. Oh, Raj, sorry, Raj. And that's the famous pencil he has with the disappearing lead. And so we'll see how that goes. All right. So here's a practice question so everyone will see how the game's going to work. Legend has it that the Mayflower Pilgrims landed on A, Plymouth Rock, B, Chrysler Rock, C, Kid Rock, or D, one of the Kardashians. This is worth no points because it's a practice question, so you see 0. So we'll see how the practice question went. Oh yeah, nobody chose the Kardashians. 5 people got that it was Plymouth Rock. Very good, you all got that right. Any questions before we start? So I think the contestants are ready, and as we say in the math game show industry, let's get ready to figure and play Who Wants to Be a Mathematician? Here we go. This will be the real thing. First one's for 100 points. An unofficial name for Boston is the cradle of A, liberty, B, fine winter tourism, C, horn honkers, or D, beer drinking pitchers. This is worth 100 points. It's supposed to be an easy one, so we hope you get it right. And since it's not too hard, we only have given you 15 seconds. When they get harder, we'll give you more time. Everyone got in probably before I even finished the beer drinking pitchers, finished reading it. We'll see how it goes. So for 100 points. Yes, everyone got the cradle of liberty. Very good. Well, 100 points. Nice going. All right, now you might actually start needing a pencil. We'll see. Question 2 for 200 points. Suppose A and B are both in the interval from 0 to 2 pi, that includes 0, not including 2 pi, and they satisfy these equations here. Sine A minus sine B equals square root of 3 over 3, and cosine A minus cosine B equals 4/3. What is, or find, cosine of A minus B? Is it negative 1/18, negative 1/9, 0, or 1/9? It's worth 200 points. Everyone understand the question? Any questions about it? We'll see how question 2 went for 200 points, a little bit harder than the Cradle of Liberty question. One person got it right. It was negative 1/18. Who got it?
I think I did.
Okay, all right, okay. So how'd you get it, Rachel?
So you square both sides, and you get sine squared A plus sine squared B minus 2 sine A sine B equals 1/3. And then you square the bottom one too. And then when you add those together, you get 2 minus 2 times sine A sine B plus cos A cos B. And then you subtract off the 2, and then you divide it by -2.
And then you hope there doesn't say 0 on the clock after you've done all that. Right, and so it turns out to be negative 1. And yeah, when you square that top one, it's kind of funny looking at square root of 3 over 3, but it is 1/3 when you square it, right? Good, nice explanation. Thank you, Rachel.